Hi guys, good evening, welcome to my channel. This is going to be get on ready with me, as I like to do. So let's get started. I love to do sit-ups. Sit-ups is very important. So you do sit-ups like this, like 50 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hi guys, this is my lovely outfit. I've changed into this lovely purple dress. This is the fitting of this lovely dress. Hi guys, I have changed. I'm wearing this lovely green dress now. Everything very beautiful. Ritual of Maya nourishing shower oil. So whenever I want to take my bath, I always add the oil, and after washing my hair, I love to apply the stretch mark as a stretch mark. So this is my current favorite jacket. It's from the brand Colombia. Colombia is a great fashionable brand. Just put it in there. So this is the detailing. I'm just going to share with you. So it's written like this, so you can shop the Colombia winter jacket. Has good quality. Let me just share with you the inner, how it looks like. It's good quality. It has this naturally adjusted. Came with the capuchon. That's the capuchon. So if it's cold outside, you can put it on your head. So that's what it looks like. If you want to wear it, you can just put it on like this. Go on Fiverr, and if you wish someone to help you create a book cover, if you're a good writer, so many people are good with writing, especially persons registered on Amazon. So if you have never heard about Amazon, Amazon is a great platform. You can, have yourself registered as a short story book writer or a novelist. If you're a novelist, right, you can. I've got lipstick on my background. Hi guys, good morning, welcome to my channel. This is going to be get ready with me video. I'm going to continue with the chit-chat related to makeup beauty item. As you all know, I am a big fan of beauty items. I love beautiful makeup. I love wearing makeup on this channel, and I also like skincare products very much. So I'm going to do chit-chat related to beauty, fashion and makeup. So when it comes to makeup, I admire great makeup artists such as Nikki's Tutorial, Jeffree Star. You also have Manny Moore and so many female makeup artists such as Patricia Bright, Beauty by JJ. So these are great makeup artists. I highly encourage you guys to watch the videos on YouTube. So guys, I have shared with you where you can buy very beautiful outfits in the United Kingdom, right, in Britain, in Scotland. So I'm going to share with you where you can buy very beautiful outfits from in the Netherlands, in cities such as Amsterdam, Rotterdam, Middelburg, Vlissingen, Zeeland, right? So Amsterdam, you can buy from, you can buy Fendi products, Gucci, Prada, Louis Vuitton, fashionable outfits from Amsterdam, from the shops such as the Buying Cove. You also have Zara shop. Okay, so I have been promoting the Buying Cove for almost 5 months now on my website blacknode.me. So in the Netherlands, in Vlissingen, Middelburg, you can buy lovely outfits from the Gary Weber, from We Fashion. So at Middelburg you have We Fashion, We Fashion in Middelburg for men. You also have We Fashion for female in Rotterdam at Rotterdam Hoogstraat. So Rotterdam Hoogstraat is an amazing place for shopping. You also have the Buying Cove at Rotterdam Hoogstraat. You have the Buying Cove in Den Haag, and of course in Utrecht. So if you're visiting the Netherlands, awesome great cities such as Amsterdam, from New York, if you do live in Paris, Spain, Milan, do endeavor to do your shopping at these shops I have just mentioned. Hi guys, this is the finished result of this makeup look. This makeup took me about 15 minutes to create. It's a great beautiful day makeup look. I have just mentioned some great goods and services, so I'm just going to summarize this video. I'm going to mention some cool shops in the Netherlands where you can buy pretty makeup and beautiful outfits. So this video is all about beauty fashion, right? So for pretty makeup in the Netherlands, you can buy from Etos, you can buy from Krabat in the Netherlands, you can also buy from Chanel shop, you can buy from La Bourse in Rotterdam, you can buy from Moy Parfumerie in Vlissingen. If you do live in Nigeria, you can buy very pretty makeup from Jumia.com. I'm promoting Jumia on blacknode.me. And if you live in the United States of America, in New York, you can buy very pretty makeup from Chanel. You can buy it at the 5th Avenue in New York City. You can also buy it at, CVS Pharmacy. You can buy Maybelline New York foundation, eyeliner, lipstick from CVS Pharmacy, and some from other shops. So I hope you're inspired. I hope you like my outfit for today. I'm wearing this lovely green dress and this lovely stockings. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do check out the listings I did in blacknode.me / Scottish Delight, British Delight, blacknode.me / Nigerian Delight, blacknode.me / what am I saying? Just check out all the listings I did. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. I love you so much with all my heart. Until next time, enjoy the rest of my videos. Do like this video, subscribe to my channel. I love you so much. Until next time, bye. So I have just talked to you guys about makeup brands where you can buy beautiful makeup in the United Kingdom. So speaking of the United Kingdom, I'm going to read out Scottish Delight. So I'm going to read out the listings I did for you guys on my website blacknode.me. So Scottish Delight, I said, hello, my name is Ekene Patience. On this page I share with you Scottish Delight. I hope you enjoy. I'm an affiliate marketer and work on a freelance basis. On this page I share goods and services I have used and not used but highly recommended. Price. Hello friends, I'm on Fiverr. The charge of listing the goods and services on this page is €5 on a monthly basis. The charge of every social media upload with affiliate link is €5. I shall write blog posts and share on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and emailing. So all in all, I do charge €10 only on a monthly basis. So this is what I wrote in Scottish Delight. So I listed some great brands such as Fraser Suits Edinburgh, Hotel Bella Italia Edinburgh. I listed Chloe Restaurants Edinburgh, Premier Inn Hotel Glasgow. I listed Travelodge London, University of Aberdeen, Michael Aberdeen, who is a restaurant, Edinburgh, the Digital Age, Edinburgh, Walker Luxury, Jewelries, Walker Luxury Jewelries is in Dundee, Scotland. So this is my Kiko Milano foundation. Great foundation. So this is how it looks like. I like to apply this on my face. Hi angels, this is my current favorite body scrub from the brand Rituals, so you can use this to wash your body properly.